Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the intriguing world of the eastern phoebe, a charming bird known for its distinctive call and fascinating behaviors. Whether you're a seasoned birdwatcher or just curious about nature, these 50 amazing facts will give you a deeper appreciation for this delightful species. Let's dive in. 1. The eastern phoebe Cerinus phoebe is a small passerini bird in the tyrant flycatcher family. 2. It is named after its distinctive phoebe call. 3. Eastern phoebes are found throughout eastern North America. 4. They have a length of 14 to 17 centimeters 5.5 to 6.7 inches and a wingspan of 26 to 28 centimeters 10.2 to 11.0 inches. 5. These birds weigh between 16 to 21 grams 0.6 to 0.7 ounces. 6. Their plumage is gray-brown above with a white throat and a dirty gray breast. 7. Eastern phoebes have a slightly crested head, which can appear large for their body size. 8. They are known for their habit of wagging their tails up and down when perched. 9. These birds are insectivorous, primarily feeding on flies, beetles, and other insects. 10. They often catch insects in midair with acrobatic flights. 11. Eastern phoebes also eat small fruits and berries, especially in winter. 12. They are one of the earliest migratory birds to return north in the spring. 13. Eastern phoebes typically arrive on their breeding grounds in March or early April. 14. They prefer open woodlands, farmland, and suburban areas near water. 15. These birds often nest on human structures like bridges, barns, and houses. 16. Their nests are made of mud, moss, and grass, and are usually placed in protected nooks. 17. Females lay 2 to 6 eggs per clutch, which are white with reddish-brown spots. 18. Incubation lasts about 16 days, and the female does most of the incubating. 19. Chicks fledge about 16 to 20 days after hatching. 20. Eastern phoebes can raise 2 broods per year. 21. They are known to reuse their nests in subsequent years. 22. These birds are solitary and rarely seen in flocks. 23. The oldest known eastern phoebe lived to be at least 10 years and 4 months old. 24. They are often parasitized by the brown-headed cowbird, which lays its eggs in phoebe nests. 25. Eastern phoebes are highly adaptable and can thrive in urban environments. 26. They have a sharp chip call used for communication and alarm. 27. These birds are known for their persistent singing during the breeding season. 28. Males sing to defend their territory and attract mates. 29. Eastern phoebes are part of the genus Cerinus, which includes other phoebe species. 30. They are closely related to the western phoebe and the black phoebe. 31. The eastern phoebe was the first bird to be banded in North America by John James Audubon in 1804. 32. They are known to hover briefly while foraging for insects. 33. Eastern phoebes are beneficial to farmers as they help control insect populations. 34. They have a gentle and non-aggressive nature. 35. These birds are often seen perched on low branches or fences.
36. They are known to be curious and will investigate new objects in their territory. 37. Eastern phoebes have a strong homing instinct and often return to the same nesting sites each year. 38. They are one of the few bird species that can see ultraviolet light. 39. Eastern phoebes are known to bathe frequently in shallow water. 40. They have a distinctive flight pattern, characterized by short, rapid wing beats followed by a glide. 41. These birds are early nesters, often starting in late winter or early spring. 42. They communicate with a variety of calls, including alarm calls to warn of predators. 43. Eastern phoebes are known to roost in groups during the winter for warmth. 44. They have a high survival rate in protected areas compared to unprotected ones. 45. These birds are often featured in art, literature, and folklore due to their distinctive call and appearance. 46. They are beneficial to ecosystems as they help control pest insect populations. 47. Eastern phoebes are known to be cooperative breeders, with older offspring sometimes helping to raise younger siblings. 48. They are one of the few bird species that can see the color blue. 49. Their population has been stable, thanks to their adaptability and conservation efforts. 50. Eastern phoebes are a favorite among bird watchers for their distinctive behaviors and calls. And there you have it, 50 fascinating facts about the eastern phoebe. These remarkable birds are not only a joy to observe, but also play a crucial role in our ecosystems. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.